And in this class, it will be a very short one. I will just mention a couple of basic cloud computing terms and concepts, which we already have briefly, seen already. First one is a high availability. So it's when the system is highly available, it means that the system design ensures continuous operation. So basically, continuous operation. There are a couple of components for high availability. There's redundancy, failover, load balancing, disaster recovery. But what you just need to know is high availability means that the cloud provider is guaranteeing you that the operation will last continuously. So your application won't be off, basically. This one a little bit easier, because when there's ability of a system to handle increased load by adding resources, it can be scaling up or scaling out, or removing resources, scaling down or scaling in, to maintain performance and the mid demand, which is or up or down. Then we call about scalability. This is a bit easier. And there are a couple of types. This is vertical scaling, horizontal scaling, auto scaling, and load balancing again. Elasticity. So it's similar to scalability, just a little bit of not picking, I would say, because that's ability to scale resources up and down with benefits such as cost optimization, performance optimization. You use the resources more efficiently, and automating scaling. When a system has ability to continue operating despite failures, we call it fault tolerant. There are a couple of components: redundancy, replication, backup systems, and failover mechanisms. So this is all related to fault tolerance. Basically, if the system operates despite there are failures, whatever, because there can be many failures in the long cloud chain, then we call it fault tolerant. And last not least, disaster recovery, basically recovering from system failures. And then we talk mostly about some kind of backup strategies, recovery plans, testing processes, or for disaster recovery there's also quite some documentation companies are creating to have it written down as a process. And I will also want to talk about cloud economics, but I will do that in the next recording.